Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you all having a great day and I am back with a new video. In this I am going to show you how to convert mp4 file to mp3 on your Android phone without installing any application. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on notification icon so you will get the notification for all upcoming videos so you can watch it. Now let's join to the video. First of all, go to your file manager and click on videos. Select the file or a video that you want to convert into mp3 format. So I will go with this video. As you can see, it will be in the mp4 format. You have to do click on this video, click on more option. Now click on the rename file and you have to do is that change the file format from mp4 to mp3. Then click on OK. And you can see that the file has been converted to the mp3 format. Let's play it. Now again, if you want to convert this file into mp4 format, so rename this file. Again you have to write mp4 and click OK. Here you can see that your file will be again converted into mp4 format. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you are new at this video, subscribe our channel for upcoming more videos and click on the bell icon. Thank you.